Hey geometry guys, how we doing? I'm doing pretty well. I've reached out and talked to a few of you over the phone or over Google Meets. That was awesome. I enjoyed that. Great to hear from you in person. Again, let's stay on task here. Let's keep our engagement going. Let's keep our learning going, and we'll get through this here. Hopefully everybody's well, family's well. You're staying busy with things. And again, make sure with the nice weather you get outside. It's beautiful out there to do a number of things. So anyway, our week's overview here. First of all, I've got completed notes. If you want to take a look at those, print them off or just have them on your desktop somewhere as you work through things here. The first official thing for the week is to respond to a question about a live stream for a lesson next week. So I'd like to be able to maybe have a Google Meet and have all of us there, and we could, talk a bit and learn a bit about quadrilaterals. So go ahead and respond to that by tomorrow, so I can kind of schedule accordingly. We will have a quiz review posted today, actually. Cinco de Mayo. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Rose and I are going to have some tacos tonight, some shrimp tacos, so we're going to celebrate the 5th of May. And again, make sure you submit your items as we've done in the past here. I will have a quiz review video with solutions shared with you on Thursday morning here. Then the other thing we'll do this week is I'm going to post a quiz, and you guys work through it. Again, reach out to me if you're having questions with the review, anything, and we can work together and get things taken care of here. Anyway, and then I will have on next Monday, I'm going to post a couple of kind of YouTube videos on quadrilaterals. I think total they add up to about maybe 12 minutes, so take a moment here. Take some time there to watch those on Monday, and then hopefully on Wednesday we'll be able to have a in-class lesson together using some type of live streaming, and we will probably use Google Meet. So anyway, I hope you're all well. Again, reach out to me if you have any needs, concerns, questions on schoolwork or kind of school things overall. This Thursday we are having a buildings leaders meeting with Mr. McDonald, try to get some information about the close of the year, and after that I'll send out some information to you guys here. So the next overview will be posted next Tuesday. I used Monday to kind of prep for the next 5 school days per se, and worked out pretty well this week. So take care, miss you guys, hope you guys are all well. Bye.